All right.
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 2 p.m. calendar on April 6, 2026. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this. Not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders will be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to hear about lots of different dates and different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. When it comes to those release conditions, when I see you in court, I'm only going to tell you about some of them, not every single one of them. For a complete list of all your release conditions, please refer to your paperwork. Here's how the afternoon is going to go. I'm going to call two names. The first name I call will come into the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. The second name I call will sit on that chair next to the door. And then we'll cycle through until the calendar is finished. The interpreter, you do not have to read what I'm about to read. I'm not going to read the victim's rights advisement. If you're the victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you're advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present in court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defense attorney, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release, negotiation of a plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who's convicted of causing you loss. If you have not already been provided with a written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's Office. Okay, please get Juvenile Garcia to the podium. Jacob Heflin to the chair, please.
Heflin?
Okay.
Would the interpreter please announce?
Martin Hernandez, court interpreter.
Thank you. Sir, could I please have your full name and date of birth?
Juvenal Mata García, 13 de octubre del 93.
Juvenal Mata Garcia, 13 October 1993.
Thank you. You are here on a new case in the Superior Court. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 3 felony, and aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony. At this time, I'm not finding probable cause as to the aggravated assault Class 3 felony. I need to warn you, though, that just because I don't find probable cause today does not mean that the prosecutor's office can find it at a later time. So I don't want you to think that this charge is necessarily going to go away forever. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
I am finding probable cause as to the aggravated assault Class 6 felony. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 13 and April 15 in the downtown Superior Court. I'm setting a secured appearance bond of $10,000. If you're able to pay that bond and are released, you will be on supervised release. You will have an electronic ankle monitor, and you will be on house arrest. Furthermore, if you're able to pay that bond, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there are any orders of protection that are put out against you, you have to follow those orders. And sir, I understand the victim is your next door neighbor. You may not enter the victim's property, and you must stay 500 feet away from the victim at all times. Do you have any questions for me?
No, entiendo todo.
No, I understood everything.
Okay, please go to your left for your paperwork. And could you please get a general announcement to see if anyone else needs your help, please?
Yes, sir. Buenas tardes. Soy el intérprete del comisionado. ¿Hay alguien más en la sala que necesita intérprete de español? Si es así, levante la mano ahora.
No, Your Honor.
All right, we see no hands. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
Jacob Heflin to the podium. Marcus Carmichael to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
It's Jacob Heflin, 12/11/1997.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's April 13 in the downtown Superior Court. At the request of your probation violation judge, on your first probation violation, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time due to an alleged violation of your probation. On your other 2 probation violation matters, I'm going to affirm the bond set by your probation violation judge. It is $500 as to each one, so total $1,000 secured appearance bond. But sir, please don't try to pay those bonds at this time because you're being held non-bondable on the first probation violation matter. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Marcus Carmichael to the podium. Jovan Francisco to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
01/03/2000, Marcus Carmichael.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for criminal trespass, a Class 6 felony. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 13 and April 15 in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $2,500. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on supervised release. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Oh.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Jovan Francisco to the podium. Francisco Sandoval Enciso to the chair, please. Name and date of birth again, please.
Jovan Francisco, April 2nd, 1990.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on 3 probation violation warrants. So I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's April 13 in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. On 2 of them, it's $750. On the 3rd one, it's $500. So it's a total $2,000 secured appearance bond. And those are for your probation violations. Sir, I'm also recalling your Superior Court new case from this morning when I saw you at 8 o'clock. Sir, because you have you're being held in custody on these probation violations. Remember this morning I was going to release you on your own recognizance. Sir, I'm going to change that so you get your credit for time served, okay? So on your case from this morning where you were arrested for possession of narcotic drugs and possession of drug paraphernalia, you're going to have some new court dates. Your court dates are April 13 and April 15 in the downtown Superior Court. I'm setting a $50 placeholder bond, so you get credit for time served on the case on the matter you're arrested on this morning. For all your cases, if you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you got to contact your PO within 3 days. Do you have any questions for me, sir? All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Francisco Sandoval Enciso to the podium. David Jackson to the chair, please. Name and date of birth.
September 9, 1999.
Your name, please.
Francisco Sandoval.
Is your full name Francisco Sandoval Enciso?
Yes, Francisco Alberto Sandoval Enciso.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case. You've been arrested for assault, Class 1 misdemeanor, disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor, assault, Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's April 13 at the El Mirage City Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $1,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must obey any orders of protection that are put out against you. And you may have no contact with the victim whatsoever, including electronically or through third parties, even if they contact you first. You're warned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to more felonies. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. David Jackson to the podium. Christopher Kellen to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
April 10th, 1985.
Your name, please.
David Jackson.
Thank you. You're here today on the municipal court new case. You've been arrested for exceeding the posted speed by more than 20 miles per hour, Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm not assigning you an attorney because for these types of charges, you don't get a free attorney, but you can hire your own attorney if you want one. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, your next court date's going to be April 27 at the Peoria City Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you today. There's going to be some conditions to your release. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
You promise to follow all these conditions?
Of course. Yes, sir.
Promise to appear on April 27 at the Peoria City Court?
Of course.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
No, not at all.
All right, upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
I would say no, not today.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
please make sure to show up to court, okay?
Of course. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Christopher Kellen to the podium. Colton Watson to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
12/24/1981.
Name, please.
Kellen Christopher Cruz.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, criminal damage, Class 1 misdemeanor, criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 21 and 23 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you today. There's going to be some conditions to your release. You're going to be on supervised release. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes.
You promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes.
Promise to appear on April 21 and 23 in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any weapons you need to give up?
No, I do not.
All right. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. Sir, it's your responsibility to call them once you're out of custody.
Okay.
You have to call them tomorrow during normal business hours.
Okay.
If you fail to call pretrial services, you could end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Any questions for me?
I know. Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
Colton Watson to the podium. Name and date of birth, please.
7/13/1991.
Your name, please.
Colton Roan Watson.
Thank you. You're here today on a fugitive of justice warrant. It's another fancy term for an extradition warrant.
Yep.
It appears as if the state of Oregon would like you back. So here's what's going to happen, sir. If you do nothing else today, you're going to have a fugitive of justice hearing on April 20th at 1:30 in the downtown Superior Court. State of Oregon has requested a $610,000 secured appearance bond. I'm going to affirm that bond at this time.
610?
Correct.
What's 10% at 61,000?
Correct.
Okay. That ain't too bad.
Sir, did the deputies give you a big white card to read?
That laminated one?
Yes.
Yeah. That one's so confusing, but I think the 30-day one is probably the best bet for me.
So, well, first of all, did you have a chance to read that card?
Yeah, I did.
And did you understand what was on that card?
For the most part, yeah. I know you're not supposed to give me any legal advice or
Sure
anything,
thing,
but maybe.
And, sir, have you been through this process before at all?
No, not at all. I've never been really in trouble before at
All right.
all.
And, sir, do you have any other criminal cases going on here in the state of Arizona?
No, not at all.
All right. And so it sounds like you kind of have an idea. So here, let me give you your two options, and then you can let me know what you'd like to do.
Okay,
So like I said, if you do nothing else, sir, you're going to have that hearing on April 20th, okay?
okay,
After April 20th, should you lose that hearing, the state of Oregon, they'll have 60 to 90 days to come get you, and that clock starts on April 20th. That's if you choose to have your hearing.
yeah,
You could choose to give up or waive that hearing too. That means you will just allow the state of Oregon to come get you without a fight. If you choose to do that, the first thing that happens, you're held non-bondable. That means no amount of money gets you out. But in exchange for that, the state of Oregon, they'll have 30 days to come get you starting from today, instead of starting on the 20th. And if they don't come get you within 30 days, then you would be released.
and this release meaning they'll reopen it later, or?
And they could always come and get
How's
you
that
later,
always?
but at least after 30 days, if they don't come get you, you would be released from custody at the very least.
Okay, so no matter what, I'm gonna be here for 30 days if I do. I was told over the phone maybe that I'd be out of here faster than 30 days?
They could, well, if they come get you faster than 30 days.
Yeah, that's what I heard. They probably will.
It's possible.
They're pretty serious about their money.
I mean, I have no idea.
Okay.
So, but basically, they have a maximum of 30 days to come get you if you give up your hearing. And if they don't come get you within 30 days, then you would be released.
That's probably my best bet then. Yeah, I'll probably do that one.
Is that what you would like to do?
Is that the answer? I have to give you that answer today,
You
right?
have to let me know today.
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Okay, you would like to give up your hearing?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second here. I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Some of them might be a little bit repetitive, but I have to ask them, okay? 1 second, please. All right, sir. Did the deputies give you a big white card to read?
Yes,
And did you have a chance to read that card?
I did.
Did you understand what was on that card?
Yes.
Okay. There are 3 major rights that are listed on that card. I'm going to go through some questions about those rights.
Okay.
First of all, you have a right to a hearing. That hearing was originally set on April 20th, 2026 at 1:30 p.m. in the Maricopa County Superior Court. Do you understand that you have a right to that hearing?
Yeah.
Is it your intention to give up your right to that hearing today?
Yes.
Okay. You also have a right to hire your own attorney. You don't get a free attorney because this is a civil matter,
yeah.
but you can hire your own attorney. Do you understand that right?
Yes, sir.
Is it your intention to give up your right to hire your own attorney?
Give up my right to hire my own attorney?
Right.
Give up my right to hire an attorney.
Just for extradition purposes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. And sir, you also have a right for the governor of Arizona and the governor of Oregon to both sign warrants to have you extradited out of here after that hearing. That whole process takes 60 to 90 days after the completion of that hearing. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Is it your intention to give up your right for both governors of Arizona and Oregon to sign warrants to have you extradited out of here? Are you
Yes.
choosing to give up that right?
Yes.
You understand that by giving up these rights, you're going to be held non-bondable. That means no amount of money will get you out. But in exchange for that, the state of Oregon will have 30 days to come get you starting from today's date. If they don't come get you within 30 days, you would be released. Do you understand that?
With the bond's meaning from here, right? I'll have bond there probably, or you probably won't. Okay, cool.
But as long as you're here, you won't be able to get out.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, did anyone threaten you, force you, or coerce you into giving up those 3 fundamental rights?
No.
Have you taken any drugs or alcohol within the past 24 hours that's affecting your decision in giving up these rights?
No, sir.
Have you not taken any medication that you're supposed to take within the past 24 hours that's affecting your decision in giving up these rights?
I don't take medication. I'm good. So no.
So what is your answer? Have you not taken any medication you're supposed
I
to
haven't
take?
taken any medicine.
Okay. And again, sir, no one threatened you, forced you, or coerced you into doing this today?
No.
Okay. At this time, I'm finding that the defendant is knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily waiving his rights to an extradition hearing. Sir, at this time, you will be held non-bondable, and you will be held, at which point, if the state of Oregon does not come get you within 30 days, you will be released. Do you have any questions for me at this time?
I did read a little bit about said 90 days for the judge, but it then also said that they could have another 2 months extended from it. Is that what I read right?
That's if you have your hearing.
Oh, okay.
But
That makes
you've
sense.
chosen to give up your hearing, correct?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was just,
Any other questions?
that's it.
All right. Sir, if you want to please step up here, there's some documentation you have to sign. While we are waiting for signatures, I have to visit one individual back in their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or to others. Juan Barone, date of birth 11/16/1990, here on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. As to his new case, he's been arrested for 3 counts of aggravated assault, class 4 felony, resisting arrest, class 6 felony, criminal damage, class 6 felony, disorderly conduct, class 1 misdemeanor, false reporting, class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I am not finding probable cause as to 1 count of aggravated assault, class 4 felony. Not finding probable cause as to false reporting, class 1 misdemeanor. I am finding probable cause as to all remaining charges. I'm assigning counsel. Next court dates are April 13 and 15 in the downtown Superior Court. Setting a placeholder bond of $50. He also has a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court dates April 13 in the downtown Superior Court. Finding probable cause as to a new term 1 violation. Setting a secured appearance bond of $500. If he's able to bond out on both matters, he's not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Must contact his PO within 3 days, and he may not return to the scene of the crime unless brought there for a legitimate medical emergency by another individual. After I visit him back at his cell, if I need to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes.
Judge, I have a quick question.
Come on back.
Go ahead, you gotta come back to the podium. Yes.
Go ahead, what's your question?
Is the paperwork you're gonna give me tell me what I'm charged with and everything in detail?
I can tell you that. Would you like me to tell you?
Not really. I would like paperwork more than anything.
It's not going to be on your paperwork. That's what the hearing would have been for. But I can tell you what the warrant is for.
Okay.
Is that what you would like?
How many are there? How many charges is there?
Well, first of all, is that what you, I need to know that's what you want to hear. Would you like to know what your charges are?
Is there another way I can find out?
No, sir.
Only through you?
Correct.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
You do know why, right? Like, it's kind of serious.
Deputies, apart from Mr. Wallace, everyone else is out, correct? Courtroom is clear except for Mr. Wallace?
We have one more.
Yeah, Mr. Wallace is in there, right? Okay, but he's okay because he's a knock too, right?
Yes.
All right. Sir, you have a warrant out for your arrest for the following charges: trafficking in persons, Class A felony; promoting prostitution, Class 6 felony; rape in the first degree, Class A felony; sodomy in the first degree, Class A felony; compelling prostitution, Class B felony; burglary in the first degree, Class A felony; robbery in the third degree, Class C felony; unauthorized use of a vehicle, Class C felony. Those are the charges that you're facing, and possible charges you're facing in Oregon, sir. All right, sir?
Yeah, that's crazy.
All right. All right, sir. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork?
Say it again, I'm sorry.
Go ahead and step to
Sorry,
your
I'm
left
about
for your
to pass
paperwork.
out here. That's crazy.
And could I please get Lance Wallace to the podium, please? Name and date of birth, please.
11/16/2005,
Your name, please.
Lance Wallace.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony; tampering with physical evidence, Class 6 felony; public sexual indecency, Class 1 misdemeanor; false reporting to law enforcement, Class 1 misdemeanor. At this time, I'm not finding probable cause for tampering with physical evidence, a Class 6 felony. I need to let you know, though, that just because I don't find probable cause today doesn't mean that the prosecutor's office can't find it at a later time. So I don't want you to think that a charge is necessarily going to go away forever. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I am finding probable causes to the remaining 3 charges. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 21 and April 23 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon a promise to appear, I'm going to release you today. There's going to be a fair number of conditions to your release. You're going to be on supervised release. You're going to have an ankle monitor, and you're going to have a curfew. You're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any witnesses. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay.
Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Promise to appear on April 21 and 23 in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, sir, I do.
Upon a promise to appear, I'm going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. Sir, it's your responsibility to give them a call once you're out of custody. You have to call them tomorrow during normal business hours. If you fail to call pretrial services, you could end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Any questions for me?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Please start your left for your paperwork.
All right.
And this will conclude the 2 p.m. calendar.